It started as a perfect day at sea. Thousands of people aboard these floating giants enjoyed the journey.
But the ocean had a terrifying surprise waiting.
A massive storm began to form out of nowhere.
The sea grew violent, stronger than anything ever recorded.
A massive storm began to form out of nowhere. The sea grew violent, stronger than anything ever recorded. And then, the impossible happened. A whirlpool appeared, massive enough to swallow ships whole. The largest cruise ship fought for control. Panic erupted among passengers. Crew desperately tried to regain control.
Secure the ropes! Move the winch, quickly!
But the ocean's power was unstoppable. The first giant vanished beneath the swirling abyss.
Another ship struggled, but the whirlpool had no mercy.
Chaos reigned on every deck.
Even lifeboats were dragged into the monstrous vortex.
The third ship fought with every ounce of power.
But the ocean's fury was unstoppable.
Technology failed, human effort wasn't enough.
The giant tilted, then disappeared into the whirlpool's heart.
Only one remained, the last hope among titans. The crew searched desperately for a safe path. The whirlpool grew even larger, a deadly trap. Fear gripped everyone on board. Even the strongest hulls began to fail. The ocean devoured everything in its path.
From above, the scale of disaster was unimaginable.
The last ship began to tip, a terrifying sight. Nothing could survive the ocean's wrath.
They sent distress signals, hoping for rescue.
The giant was slowly being swallowed.
The last moments were terrifyingly chaotic.
In just minutes, the ocean claimed 4 of the largest cruise ships in history. All that remained was debris and the memory of terror. The ocean, unstoppable, retreated into calm.
Stories of survival would emerge, but many were lost forever.
Rescue teams arrived too late for some.
Survivors clung to life, shaken but alive.
The once mighty ocean now seemed peaceful, but deadly memories remained. Nature's power can never be underestimated.
Those who survived would tell the story for generations.
Pieces of the ships drifted, remnants of a catastrophic day. Even below, the ocean hides its scars.
A symbol of hope amidst tragedy.
Human resilience shines even in the darkest moments. The ocean takes, but it also reminds us of our fragility.
A day that began peacefully ended in unimaginable disaster.
We honor those who never returned.
4 giants, gone forever. The sea is beautiful, but it is not to be underestimated.
Hope survives, even after tragedy.
A reminder of nature's unstoppable force.
Respect the ocean.